Ever wonder what happens when you toss random weird stuff into a shredder? Well, today we're finding out. Let's check out some of the weirdest items getting completely destroyed. Looks like one bottle fizzed out, while the other stayed unshaken. Guess glass can be unpredictable. These locks and keys really locked up the shredder. Well, that's one way to make a salad. That log didn't stand a chance. Straight to wood chips. Not even Superman could stretch his way out of this. Three went in, but only one made a great escape. Truly a Cucumber Battle Royale. Guess these sponges won't be cleaning up anything anymore. Shredding coral? That's definitely not leaf safe. Those cheese balls didn't stand a chance, offered up as crushed snack riffus. Jelly plus energy drinks? Yeah, that combo didn't last long. Snap, crackle, shred. So much for breakfast. Those candies went from sweet to smashed. A sticky end. Looks like this corn didn't make it to the grill. Well, that's one less drum to carry around. That's not how you cook pasta, but okay. The best a can could get, foam everywhere. Guess the can had enough. Jelly guy didn't stand a chance. Too squishy. This body spray just flamed out in style. Smockin'. Chocolate and ice cream gone. Talk about a meltdown. This monster watermelon was massive, until it wasn't. And that's it. If you had fun, then hit like and subscribe for more. Also, let me know your favorite in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.